kids, welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is measurement. I hope you have followed my last video where we have learned multiplication of different units. Today we are going to learn division of different units. So, the main objective of today's learning is to understand how to divide the different units. Let us take one example. Divide 7 kilometer 549 meter by 3. Before dividing the number, we have to arrange the given numbers. For that, we will write down all the units. So, we have to write down the units of length, that is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Now we will arrange the numbers. 7 kilometer 549 meter. We will start writing from the meters place but backwards. That is below meter 9, then 4, then 5 and then 7. Kids, in this way we have to draw the division line and write the divisor at the left side, that is 3. Now we have to divide the number by 3. For that, we must know the table of 3 and we will write the table of 3 at the right hand side. So, in this way, we must write down the table of 3. Now we will divide the number. We will take the first digit from the left hand side, that is 7. Now let us see, does 7 comes in the table of 3 or not? No, 7 does not come in the table of 3. So we will take 3 2s are 6. So 2 we will write just above kilometer and 6 we will write just below 7. Now after subtracting 6 from 7, we get 1. Now we will bring down the next digit, that is 5. Now the number has become 15. Now we will see, does 15 come in the table of 3 or not? Yes, 3 5s are 15. So 5 we will write down just above hectometer and 15 we will write just below 15. Now let us subtract the number. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we will bring down the next digit, that is 4. Now, does 4 come in the table of 3? No, 4 does not come in the table of 3. So we will take 3 1s are 3. So 1 we will write just above decameter and 3 we will write just below 4. Now 4 minus 3 is? Yes, 1. Now we will bring down the next digit, that is 9. Now the number has become 19. Let us see, does 19 come in the table of 3? No, 19 does not come in the table of 3. So we will take 3 6 are 18. So 6 we will write just above meter and 18 we will write just below 19. Now let us subtract the number. 9 minus 8 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we have divided the number. Now kids, we will just put an arrow in the kilometers place just after 2 to separate kilometer and meter. That means 2 kilometer and 516 meter is the answer. So the answer is 2 kilometer 516 meter. Let us solve some more examples on copy to understand the topic more clearly. Now, let us take the first example. Divide 4 kilogram 516 gram by 4. Kids, since it is written kilogram and gram, that means we have to write all the units of mass. So we will start writing all the units after leaving 3 boxes from the margin, because more than one digit can come in the kilograms place. So first unit is kilogram, then hectagram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, and then milligram. Now kids, let us first arrange the numbers. It is written 516 gram. That means we will start writing from the grams place but backwards. So 6, 1, 5, 4. Now let us draw the division line and let us divide the number. Kids, in this way we will draw the division line. Then we have to divide it by 4. So 4 we will write over here. Now kids, since we have to divide it by 4, we must know the table of 4 properly. And at the right hand side, we will write down the table of 4. So let us write 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. Now we can divide the number. Now kids, we will take the first number first and then we will see, does 4 come in the table of 4? Let us see. Yes, 4 comes in the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. So we will underline 1 and we will circle 4. We have to remember that underline digit goes up and circle digit comes down. So 1 we will write up just above the kilograms place. And 4 we will write just below 4. And then we will subtract it. 4 minus 4 is how much? That is 0. So we will write over here 0. Now we will bring down the next digit, that is 5. Now kids, we have to see, does 5 come in the table of 4? No, 5 does not come in the table of 4. So what comes just below 5 or smaller than 5? That is 4. So we will write 4. 4 ones are 4. So 1 will go up just above hectagrams place and 4 will come down just below 5. Now let us subtract it. 5 minus 4, quick subtraction, that is 1. So we will write over here 1. Now we will bring down the next digit. The next digit is 1. So now the number has become 11. Now let us see, does 11 come in the table of 4? No, 11 does not come in the table of 4. So which is the number that is smaller than 11? That is 8. So we will underline 2 as 4 twos are 8. So we will underline 2 and we will circle 8. 2 we will write up just above decagram and 8 we will write down just below 1 and then we will subtract the number. Now 1 minus 8. Since upper number is the smaller number, so we will take a borrow from the next number. So it will become 11 and this 1 will become 0. Now we can subtract 11 minus 8. Let us count till 11 after 8. 9, 10, 11. It is coming at 3. So we will write over here 3. Now it is 0 minus 0 is 0 itself. Now we will bring down the next digit, that is 6. Now the number has become 36. Let us see, does 36 come in the table of 4 or not? Yes, 36 comes in the table of 4. 4 9s are 36. So we will underline 9 and we will circle 36. Then we will write 9 just above gram and 36 we will write just below 36. Now we will subtract it. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So now we have divided the whole number. Now kids, while writing the answer, we must separate kilogram and the other unit, that is gram. So we will just put an arrow over here so that while writing the answer we know that 1 kilogram and 129 is gram. So answer will be 1 kilogram and 129 gram. Now kids, let us take the next example. Divide 8 liter 750 milliliter by 5. Since it is written in liter and milliliter, that means we have to write the units of capacity. We'll leave 3 boxes, then start writing the units. First unit is kiloliter, then hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, and then milliliter. Now let us first arrange the numbers. 8 liter 750 milliliter. So we will start writing from the milliliters place but backwards. So it will be 0, 5, 7 and under liters it will come 8. Now let us draw the division line and then divide the number. Now kids, we have to divide this number by 5. So over here we will write 5. We must know the table of 5 and we will write down the table of 5 at the right hand side. So let us write 5 zeros are 0. As you can see kids, I have written down the table of 5. Now we can divide the number. So let us take the first digit first. Let us see, does 8 come in the table of 5? No, 8 does not come in the table of 5. So which is the smaller number than 8? That is 5. So we can write 5 ones are 5. So 1 we will underline and we will circle 5. As we know, underline digit goes up and circle digit comes down. So 1 we will write just above liters place and 5 we will write just below 8. Now let us subtract these two numbers. 8 minus 5. Let us count till 8 after 5. 6, 7, 8. So it is coming at 3. So we will write over here 3. Let us bring down the next number, that is 7. Now the number has become 37. Let us see, does 37 come in the table of 5? No, 37 does not come in the table of 5. Which is the number that comes below 37? That is 35. So 5 sevens are 35. We will underline 7 and we will circle 35. Now 7 we will write up in the deciliters place and 35 we will write just below 37. Now let us subtract these two numbers. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 3, that is 0. Now let us bring down the next digit, that is 5. Now the number has become 25. Let us see, does 25 come in the table of 5 or not? Yes, 25 comes in the table of 5. 5 5s are 25. So we will underline 5 and circle 25. So underline digit 5 will go up in the centiliters place and 25 will come down. Let us subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now let us bring down the next digit, that is 0. Now, does 0 come in the table of 5? Yes, 5 zeros is 0. So we will underline 0 and we will circle 0. Now 0 we will write up and 0 we will write down. 0 minus 0 is 0 itself. So, as you can see, we have divided the full number. Now kids, we will put an arrow just after 1, that is after the liters place over here, so that we can separate liter and milliliter. That means the number which is before the arrow, that is liter, and numbers that is after the arrow is milliliter. So answer will be 1 liter, 750 milliliter. Now kids, let's recall what we have learned today. We have discussed how to divide the different units, for which we have followed some steps. Step 1 is to make the table of the different units. Step 2 is to arrange the numbers according to the units. Step 3 is to divide the given numbers. Step 4 is to write the answer at the end. I hope kids you have understood how to divide the different units. Now complete the homework that has been given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.